I was over at my friend Gordon's this morning, and you remember Gordon. He does the friendly fire merchandise, makes the firearms-related jewelry, pens, and he also did the pen and the silver bullet. Oh, don't forget the silver bullet video. All of those are on Riders Range website. You can get links to all that stuff. And there's also a discount code to Gordy's merchandise there. And again, that's www.ridersrange.com. So we were chatting this morning about whether or not the Glock 44 would be a good 50-yard gun. And of course, his gun was the one that we did the first shots video on here a couple of weeks ago, and this particular one is the one that I just did the 545 rounds on just a couple of days ago. I'll put a link up here to Gordy's video, and a little later on in this video we'll have a link to this one. So the question came up was whether or not the Glock 44 is a 50-yard gun. Well, I never one to shirk a challenge, and even though it's a little cold outside, I think that Riders Range is going to go outside and take this Glock 44 with a magazine full of mini mags and CCI mini mags, and set up cameras and see if we can ring steel at 50 yards. So I'm going to bundle up and let's go outside. Question for the day: can the Glock 44 22 caliber using CCI mini mags ring steel at 50 yards? We haven't tried it. We're going to. Silhouette first. Hanging one to the right. Got that. Can I do a 10? Way over on that. Yes, I can. How about the 10 next to it? Way up on the left again. It rings it. Glock 44 does ring steel at 50 yards on Riders Range. If you like these videos, appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, notify, and let your friends know, share this, and get the word out. It's just a real quick 50 yards. Glock 44 shooting CCI mini mags at 50 yards on Riders Range.